Hey South Africa, I'm Henk van der Merwe, your sales coach and mentor. Now, if you're watching this video, my guess is that you're either directly responsible for sales, or you run a sales team, or maybe even the entire sales division. I'm also guessing that your sales targets for the year have gone up, and you're probably looking around for a game changer to help you achieve them. Well, if that describes you, I've got some good news for you. I've teamed up with some really experienced South African business and sales coaches, and we're going to be bringing you my sales mastery experience for both sales executives and sales leaders that I've had amazing success with internationally. And what makes our program different are the powerful assessments that we use that are going to help you understand yourself, your boss, and your clients, and really allow you to influence at a whole new level. So my promise to you is that whether you attend the sales bootcamp experience or the sales coaching experience, or both, we're going to teach you how to become a master influencer and really give you the skills, the mindsets, and the tools to be able to consistently play at the highest level. Now, we're also going to back that up by giving you one-on-one access to both local and international sales coaches, as well as 3 group webinars to really help you go from knowing to doing in the shortest amount of time. Now, if you're like me and you want to get ahead of the competition, then click on the links on this page and we'd be happy to talk directly to you about how you can have the sales bootcamp experience or the sales coaching experience at your company. You simply cannot afford to get left behind. So contact us today and let's go out and smash those sales targets.